In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Notion database to Google Sheets. This process is incredibly useful for those of us who rely on Notion for organizing our ideas and data, but prefer using Google Sheets for data manipulation, analysis, or sharing with others. This instructional guide will provide a simple method for achieving this connection through a CSV, export, and import. It's straightforward and works perfectly for one-time data exports. To get started, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the specific database you want to export. It's important that you're in the database view to ensure you're exporting the entire dataset. Once you have your database pulled up, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three small dots in a vertical line, which often serve as a menu for additional options. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Export option. After clicking Export, you will be prompted with several file format choices. Here, you'll want to choose CSV. Selecting CSV is crucial because it's a universally accepted format for data importation, ensuring compatibility with Google Sheets. After your CSV file is successfully downloaded, the next step takes us to Google Sheets. Log into your Google account if you haven't already, and head over to Google Sheets. Once inside Google Sheets, you'll want to create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you'd like to import your database data. Now look to the top menu bar and click on File. From there, navigate to and select Import. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to choose the file you'd like to import. Switch to the Upload tab, then either drag your downloaded CSV file into the window or click to browse your computer for the file and select it. After your file is uploaded, a new dialog box will appear asking how you want to import the data. Here, you can choose several options based on your preferences. You might want to replace data in the spreadsheet, create a new spreadsheet, or simply append the data to existing rows. Make sure to review your selections, as this will guide how the data from Notion fills into the Google Sheet. Once satisfied with your selections, click Import Data to confirm. Your Notion database should now be seamlessly imported into Google Sheets, where you have the freedom to analyze and manipulate the data further. This method is ideal for one-time exports, where you simply need to get your data from Notion to Google Sheets without setting up automated sync processes. It's efficient and gives you immediate access to your data in the spreadsheet environment. If you need to update the data frequently, you might want to look into creating a recurring workflow. However, for occasional needs, this approach is perfect. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now able to connect your Notion databases to Google Sheets with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.